in our case. Our resolutions are intact and enforceable. Ladies and gentlemen, there is an Article 6 of the UN Charter which says, if any member state persistently violates the principles of the UN Charter, her membership shall be cancelled by the General Assembly on the recommendation of the Security Council. Now there is a question. The UN resolutions it is a violation to the principle of UN Charter? Yes, it is. These have been passed under Chapter 6, Article 34, 35 and 36. And if it is like that, then according to the law, the membership of India is at stake. Now, let me touch the draconian laws. Ladies and gentlemen, the government of India has responded to our peaceful demands for implementation of UN resolutions brutally in several ways. Demographic changes. India is pursuing its policy to change the demographics of Kashmir. Why? It is a Muslim majority area. Wants to change it in a minority. Wants to migrate and settle down Hindus in mainland India into our homeland, into the Kashmir. It is against international law. International Geneva Convention, Article 49, subclass 6. It is against the Article 8, subclass 2 of Rome Statute of Criminal Code. And Article 146 and 147 declares the demographics change by occupying power as war crimes. It's mentioned in these laws. Chemical weapons has been used in Kashmir. It is against the Geneva Convention. It is against the Geneva Gas Protocol. But it is being used in Kashmir. Pellet guns. Pellet guns is massively in use in Kashmir. In India, it has never been used, but in Kashmir, it is being used against the Kashmiris. And the medical reports show that the pellets have been used above the abdomen, on vital part of the body. And it is law. When vital part of the body is hit, it means state has the intention to kill. Laws have been framed. Law violations are so massive, Government of India has given a legal cover to these. Draconian laws. Shoot to kill has been given to the Indian Armed Forces against the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, Article 6, which says everyone has a right to life. No one can be deprived of this right, even if there is an emergency or war. But practically, shoot to kill has been given. Section 7, impunity has been granted to the Indian armed soldiers. No suit can lie against any Indian soldier in any court of law. Section 7 of the Public Safety Act. It says, if the state has a reason to believe that any person may or is likely to do an act, thereby the security of the state is threatened, he can be put in the prison for 2 years. Confession before a police officer has been declared a valid confession under Indian Evidence Act. This has resulted in torture. Identity of a witness can remain in secret. This has resulted in fake trials. Ladies and gentlemen, we, the Kashmiris, are facing a cruel enemy. If we remain silent, India says they are happy with India. If we come to the streets, they torture us. They imprison us, they kill us, and when we resist their terror, they call us terrorists. Where we will go? Who will come to our rescue? It is the international community. Arbitrary arrest and detention is the order of the day. Fake encounters. Who are these people? They have been arrested from time to time, tortured, killed, and now they are staging the encounter. It is staged encounter. Shabir Ahmad Shah, our leader, has spent 32 long years in Indian prison. Musarrat Alam, like same. Asian Rabi, Maharajdeen Kalwal, and so on and so forth. A large number of people. 10,000 people are missing. We don't know the whereabouts of these persons. Now, let me touch briefly the recommendations. Ladies and gentlemen, we must concentrate on establishment of commission of inquiry. UNT must go to Azad Kashmir as well. There is nothing to hide. Inhuman laws are in occupied Kashmir. There is no inhuman law in Azad Kashmir. 800,000 Indian troops are in occupied Kashmir. There is no visibility of Pakistani troops in Azad Kashmir. There is no human rights violations in Azad Kashmir, but there is a massive human rights violations in IOK. Number 2 recommendation. We must concentrate on the international media. That will create a pressure on India. 3rd, Kashmir desk must be established in each and every mission of Pakistan, so that they may interact with the parliamentarians, they may interact with the respective media in these countries. Role to youth must be ensured. Our youth, they have to play the role, and they are capable. There must be a campaign, Mr. Prime Minister, on your end, asking our Kashmiri youth to use social media applications. Everything is on net. Send it to everyone, every media, and the UN mechanisms, UN special procedures. It can create a good impact. With this, I thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Khuda Hafiz.
Faz Naqshbandi. I would like to invite Dr. Syed Nazir Gilani, President Jammu and Kashmir Council for Human Rights, for his valuable input. Dr. Syed Nazir Gilani, please.
वाजिबुल एहतराम वज़ीर-ए-आज़म